Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2026 Chevrolet Corvette? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your sports car's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Instrument panel fuse box. The 2026 Chevrolet Corvette instrument panel fuse box serves as the central distribution point for many interior electrical systems, including lighting, infotainment, climate controls, and accessory functions. Rear compartment fuse box. The 2026 Chevrolet Corvette rear compartment fuse box manages power distribution for various rear-mounted and auxiliary electrical components. Its organized configuration helps maintain system reliability while simplifying fuse inspection and replacement. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.